guys. Have you ever tried this kind of soup before? There, my amazing viewers, give it a try and thank me later. Welcome to Cook with Grace Kisses. Okay. Egusi, crayfish, water leaf, crayfish, that's something like that. Some fish pepper, chicken. In today's video, we'll be making Calabar natives' way of cooking their egusi soup. You will love this method, and believe me, you will surely want to try it, and the taste is banger, as in it's out of this world. So guys, let's continue. So in a clean pot, you add your meat, your cow skin, your shaki, stockfish, pepper, onions, and I add little water. Always make sure the environment is clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness. Then you stir, add the salt, and cover, allow it to cook. Now, if today is your first time coming across this page, or you're just seeing this page for the first time, you're welcome. This is Cook with Grace Kisses. So after that, I get my egusi. I add little salt and a blended onion. Yes, and you mix little water, then mix thoroughly. Once you're done mixing it properly, make sure it's not watery. Then cover and set it aside. Please tell me where you're watching me from, so that in my next video I could send you a big hug. And shout out to my new fans, new followers. I love you guys, and thank you for keep watching Cook with Grace Kisses. So let's continue. And all I need to do is to add my dry fish, yes, the bone fish, and I add palm oil. Yes, thoroughly clean dry fish, and I add palm oil. At this junction, then we bring out that our egusi that we set aside. Then start scooping them inside the pot. You can see the way I'm doing it from the video. That is how you scoop them inside the pot. Then don't stir. After doing that, the next thing we do is to add the periwinkle. Yes, you add your periwinkle and sprinkle the crayfish on it. Then you cover and allow it to cook. After cooking for like 5 minutes, I open it and added ogiri. Now, ogiri is optional, it's not a must, but the Igbo in me could not allow me not to add my ogiri, easy. So after that, I stir gradually, as in you don't need to stir it very hard to scatter everything. Then the next thing you do, you cover it. After just like 2 minutes, I open it and I add my fresh Cameroon pepper. After adding the fresh Cameroon pepper, I poured my water leaf on it. Then add little palm oil, then cover. Allow it to cook for like 5 more minutes. And guys, guys, at this junction, guys, the atmosphere is just woozy. The environment, you cannot hold your breath again. So after doing that, stirring it for a while, I now bring my bitter leaf, now sprinkle on it. After sprinkling bitter leaf on it, stir and cover it for just like 2 minutes. Our delicious Calabar native egusi soup is ready, guys. You can pair it with any swallow of your choice. I hope you love this recipe and you'll be giving it a try, guys. The recipe is banger. Give it a try and thank me later. I love you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more recipe like this. Bye. So you can tell me what kind of swallow you'll be pairing this food with. Bye.